Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today we are picking the winner for July's giveaway. Thank you to everybody who has sent me emails and messages asking how I'm doing. I'm all good, guys. It was definitely what I needed this break. But on to today. Today we're going to pick the winner for July's giveaway. Thank you to everybody who's entered, and good luck to all of you. And first off, I'll just refresh your memory what the prize is, but I'm just having a sip of my coffee. I've got caramel coffee today. So what we got, oops, daisy. So what we've got is a tape measure, 2 tapestry hooks. You've got a Be Kind keyring. You've got a 3mm crochet hook and some stitch markers. And then you've got 3 skeins of the pink. It's like an orchid pink, isn't it? Cotton, mercerized cotton, and in each skein you've got 360 meters, 394 yards, which is 369. So you've got over 1,000 meters there, which will make a beautiful shawl. And as I said, it's 100% mercerized cotton. So let's go and pick the winner for this yarn. Everyone, I'm just copying the URL for the giveaway, going across to Random Org, and I'm just, not Random Org, YouTube comment picker. Click to Cricut users, filter for the word which was pink, P-I-N-K, and then good luck. Let's see how many have we got. 169 unique comments. So we're going to go across now, guys, and pick the winner, and I wish you all good luck, and once again thank you for supporting my channel. Good luck, everyone. Pink Opal, $11.95, beautiful shade of pink. Thank you for your generosity. Woohoo! Pink Opal, yay! Congratulations. So congratulations, Pink Opal, $11.95. Please email me at this address and with your postal address, and I will get your post out to you. The winner has 7 days to reply to this channel. To this video, I should say, and if not, then it'll be rolled over and I'll pick another winner. But once again, congratulations, Pink Opal. Please email me with your postal address and I can get your prize out to you. Once again, everybody, thank you so much for your love, support, thumbs up, comments, for just being you and supporting me. I do appreciate it very much. And don't forget to come back in August, the first Monday in August, we'll have another giveaway. So take care, everybody, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. Bye.